Rogan Josh. Here's the very exquisite recipe for the very famous Rogan Josh with the flavorful details about all the ingredients used in this recipe. Enjoy this spicy mutton curry recipe straight from the amazing cuisine of the valley. Process. For Rogan in a handy. Add water as required, cockscomb, close the lid and boil it for a while. Strain it in a bowl with the help of muslin cloth and keep it aside for further use. For tempering in a handy, add mustard oil. Once it's hot, add black cardamom, black peppercorns, cloves and let it splutter. Add mutton and sauté it for 6-7 minutes or until tender on medium flame. Add prepared curd mixture, salt to taste, close the lid and cook it for 8-10 minutes or until the mutton is tender. Add prepared rogan, red chili paste, brown onion paste and let it simmer for a while. Transfer it to a serving dish and garnish it with coriander sprig. Serve hot with rice. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe.